Alright, my people, so see it here. We have the bathroom now. So this is the tile where we're going to use some like a subway tile. Yeah. So this will go all the way to ceiling. So we're at the right and we're catch out the master row. Right round. Yeah. So this is once we catch out the master row, we're good. Yeah, so that one I carry. This is a big window. We have a niche inside. So as I said, this will go all the way to ceiling. Yeah. So that's the niche. Yeah, so I'm going to say a little subway tile them run right through. So alright my people, so with the bunny in the morning, yeah? Oh, this is how the bathroom reach. Yeah, look a fine tile them subway. So we are doing in the morning and we are clean up. So we can get the space of them out.
What's it?
Yeah. So this is how we look like. Draw around on the other side of the pussy. Yeah, so this is how we look like. So we'll take time to go put it on the wall. Go on do your thing now. So we are going right up a ceiling with it. As you know, a little fine tile them, so then take time. Yeah, so. Yeah, so. But the space of them, I'm going to try to get out of them, you know. Yeah, and then we start again. You know, so this bathroom is a journey. Yeah, man. And then we have a shower if you cast up and tile same way. Yeah, but now we can find tile working on them. One thing when it's done, that go nice. That go sweet like a milk. Doggy style that. True punsy?
Same thing, same way, same way.
Yeah, sweet like a milk. Yeah, so I'm say, take time I go on. Yeah, so we have to go up. So we can see if we can finish off this idea. Yeah. As I say, take time to deal with it. So, you know, yeah, but we take time to do it. Yeah. So we try to get out in space and that's take a whole heap of space of work with it now. Yeah. One thing I can tell you when it's done, it's nice. Yeah, man.
Fancy? Oi. What happened? Morning.
Morning,
Go
sir.
on, Eddie.
What you there for last night?
See, I squeeze you out of here this morning.
Oh,
Yo,
me Fancy?
you must with the black back on your back.
What you see me?
Yeah, me no come out and look by the time if you say, Uncle Eddie,
Gone. What? What's up, sir? What's up?
Eddie gone a girl bush early.
Gone. Yo, I get one. I get one bowl.
Alright, my people, so this is how we reach the bathroom now. Yeah, so as you can see, we take time, I go on and run up the line. Right up a ceiling the way I go. Yeah, so we drop in a one road over a window. Yeah. So up the line we are run.
Take a pressure, take a pressure.
Yeah man, nice and sweet. Yeah, bathroom go on.
Four of them is going to make sure I take 5 of them is going to know.
Much tile is this so? And that piece there. I wonder where we go here, so.
4, 5, yeah.
Yeah, you can cut it. Much you cut?
3 of them may cut. 1, 2 more piece. But we cut them short now. We cut them long. Short piece, make it 5 for that.
I don't know. I don't know if you can find any more of them. You have to just use the way you have, you know. Yes, my people, so as I say, we take time to go on with the bathroom, you know, take like a time. Yeah, then like a shot, fine tile, yeah. Yeah, but we'll get it done. Work with the floor. Yeah. So the wind that did if it drop in. We have the niche as if it drop in same way. Yeah, so let's take our time and go on. So alright my people. Yeah. So this is how we reach the bathroom you know. As you can see. Up and running. So I will try for this, try to get out the all the part them. I will take out the window and the niche. So right now what happened is that them tile has pressure on the tile. So the tile run out. So this is how it finish for the job right and now. You know, then make some harder today. But when I go get them tile left, it might be 1 next 2 weeks or so. So we have to just work with this for the time being. So basically, we have to just grow it up as it is until then get the balance of tile left now so we can finish up. So as you can see we reach, so we have the whole of the wall you know up at the top there so another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 row a tile straight across. Yeah, so this how we finish. Over this how we finish. And we have over the window same way. So we have all of this how we finish up. Right round. So we are going complete to that side here. So as I said, it needs drop in. Drop in the window. Yeah, so this is how it look like so far. Yeah, so the window drop in completely. Finish with the window. So, as I say, we have to just grow it up as it is until the balance of tile come in. So what we are going to do now is try set up the floor now. Yeah, to get the shower. Yeah, so we have that waterproof. So that's how the whole tile wind up on the shower. Yeah. That's how the drain. So we're gonna get it set up. Yeah, what as I say? Yeah, we're good to go. Bathroom nice and sweet. Yeah, as my brother nice and sweet like a milk. Yeah, man. So if you watch the video to this far and subscribe as it, just hit that subscribe button. Free to subscribe. Now cost you $1. Yeah, just subscribe to the channel. Turn on your post notification bell, that's every time I drop a video, you'll be the first one to get it. Yeah. So I'll just like and share. Yeah, so as I say, basically grouting, so put it on track. So I'm going to show you the tile we're going to use in the shower. Yeah, so this is the tile we're going to use in the shower. Yeah, so.
Or you use one, like when one piece cut out, you use the dropping of them and kill that.
No, maybe then can't shit better, You can't shit no better.
Turn, you can't shit no better. Like out there to do that.
Alright, my peeps, so we'll drop in the shower bottom. Yeah. Let's see how I'm looking. Sweet and nice. So shower drop in. Yes, put it on the right top. Bathroom sweet and nice. How do you find this up?
Come you find it? Where is it?
I say, where you find this like it a roll from all together? Alright, so we drop in the shower now. So I'm done. So I want to grow down my pizza. See him there? Sweet and nice. So now the only thing we have to do with this is to drop some grow pan. Yeah. So as we say, we have sun tile to run up the sun, but to run out of tile. Yeah. So say when we get in tile, come back and drop them in. So I'll have a part 2 on the video, yeah. It sound like you find sitting and drinks, Donovan. It sound like you find sitting and drinks.
you know.
Yeah, so as I say, it's just a clean up and growth. Yeah. Good to go. Alright, my people, so the bathroom growth up, you know. Yeah. As I say, we have little things in it left to do. You know. The tile, them are special, the tile run out. So, see what happened here, you know. So grow it up to this far. Yeah, so we have this of a finish over the window as well. Yeah, one on the top, yeah. So because on the tile run out now, we have to stop it. You know. So as I say, some special order. So them to get them in back. So as soon as I get them in, you know, we'll come in and just finish off. Yeah. So we have yourself a drop in same way. Drop in this one. So yeah. But we brought up everything otherwise. All of the wall brought up. Fine paper. As I say, everything brought up otherwise. Yeah, the sunlight and the video now run together, you know. It always make the place with a dark background. So anytime I go to your window them frost leak like. Yeah, so as I say, anytime you see the sunlight take it now kinda dark, so I have to try black out the window one way. Yeah. I try to block out the window as much as I can, you know, to kind of get a better view. Yeah. Let's see when I come down to the window now, see the sunlight, see how I make the video look. Yeah. So I have to try to block it out at all times. And I can't block it out for one big window. Yeah, so anyway, light take it kind of get dark. Yeah, so when see the difference. Yeah, so shower growth up nice and pretty. Yeah. See if the design right time. Yeah, so this is the show. So let me say, I've got to make a part 2 on the video. Yeah, gonna come back and finish. Yeah. So yes, my people, as I say, looking good so far. Yeah. Alright, my people, so we come in and we finish the bathroom now. So, let me add a little piece them on over the top of and drop in. Yeah, so we get the tile them. So everything drop in and now we go out top. Yeah, also shower head. Yeah, them plastic up. So as I say, everything drop in and grow up. Yeah, all of the fixtures then go. So you can't see the shower bottom right now. Shower bottom tape up. You can't see paper over it.
Finish? So far, look like we drop him up.
You finish passing question, man?
Yeah, so as I say, everything drop in.
That's what I think would be, but when I'm blessings have come just because I said, still I want everyone done by Wednesday. So when you tell us about it, I went Tuesday, Wednesday, I said, I want to.
You say, well, you get caught up over there with anything?
Yes, and then we can't do it. And then now we put money on this man, I said, yeah, we're going to work today and tomorrow with us. Say, yeah. We got to fly to come back tomorrow, you know.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, man, and then I say, the man said, then you don't know man again, and I go, say, no, I
Let's change it there. This
Some
tomorrow we get a
people
bit
everything is gonna grow up there now.
yes, sir.
Time drop in.
Yeah, man, I respect man.
Yes,
Thanks,
so.
thanks, so I respect you, yeah. Yeah, man.
Oh, nice to have
This is
somebody
how
for
they look like.
Eh?
Always nice to have somebody for that.
Alright, man.
Nice one time.
It's simple.
Yeah, so this other ledge. And then match up back to the floor. So yes, my people. Yeah, so finish up, you know. Yeah, so respect to all of the supporters them every time. Big up on yourself.